Attaboy, Dookie!
Robert! Where's Robert?
Hell yeah, bro. I'm stoked for you. Hey, bro.
Alright guys, day 4 out here at Tropic Star Lodge. Today is a special day. That's right, it's your boy's birthday. 32 years old. Couldn't think of any better way to spend it than out here at Tropic Star Lodge. Is that right, Bill?
That's correct. And you had a bill fish right off the bat.
7:15 a.m. we had a sailfish nail the live bonita. So I got my birthday sailfish. Oh, big sail.
Big sail, big sail. Woo! Dookie's birthday on the sail. First fish of the day, 7:15 a.m.
Yes, sir.
We got Flacco at captain. We got Kiko on first mate here. Craziest mate I've ever seen.
Beast. He's a beast.
We out here in the pouring rain fishing. Tropic Star Lodge, baby.
Get one for a leaderboard.
Look at that. Look at that. And woo!
Every catch. Yes, sir. That was so sick. Birthday billfish.
Birthday billfish. Kiko the man. Kiko the sailfish wrangler. Good shit.
Cockpit chaos. Double hookup.
you like to record me. You. Beast of a sail.
Nice sail.
And we got leader. By the way, that's 8.
8 sails. Wow. Dude, she's pretty.
Look at that fin, bro. Vela.
Vela. Vela. Vela. Oh, she's all lit up.
Yeah, dude, she's like purple.
Si le quito
Buddy,
el
that's a
pecho.
big one, man.
Ah, si le quito el pecho.
Look at them.
Nico, how big?
Hundo.
Hundo?
Yeah, easily.
Dude, she's all lit up. She's so pretty.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
That was awful.
That was.
Oh yeah. Dookie boy.
What is it?
You see it, buddy? We don't see any color yet.
Whatever it is, we got leader. Give him water, water, water. Oh, I think it's Dorado.
Dorado.
Go, yeah, come on, water.
Dorado.
Oh, it's a little peanut. Little guy.
That's a nice size.
Oh, no, never mind. It's big. I can't see.
That's
it
a nice
from here.
size, bro.
Yeah, I can't see it from here.
That's probably like 25 pounds. Look at the color on that.
Yeah.
There we go, Kiko.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Oh, we missed. Off the gift.
Oh.
Oh.
So gorgeous, yeah. This is what 32 looks like.
I just want to say shout out Kiko. Shout out Kiko, 22 years old. First mate on this boat here. Last day at Tropic Star Lodge. This dude is an absolute legend. We got Dookie hooked up to a sail on the 30-pound
Big
hook.
sail. Look at him go crazy.
Look at him go, look at him go, look at him go. Woo! Shout out Flacco. Shout out Kiko. Yeah, dude, that's a biggie.
I know it is.
Woo!
Yeah, baby, sailfish, sailfish. Vela,
Vela, vela, vela, vela. Vela, vela, vela. Say hi to the camera, Kiko. Vela, vela.
Backing down on it now.
Backing down on the velas.
When the sun came out.
Sun came out. Second one coming up on the board. Dude, the colors on her. Pico, can I get a quick little... Gracias. These are views, bro. Gracias.
That's gonna be about do it for Tropic Star Lodge. Just wrapped up our last trip. Got my mate here, Kiko. Awesome guy, beast. Captain Flacco, thank you, my friend. This was really awesome. I really appreciate it. Gracias. Kiko, take care, my friend. Yes, sir. Hey, you ready to play some football? Yeah. Today. What an awesome place. Good vibes, beautiful experience. That's gonna about wrap it up, guys. As always, like, subscribe, share, follow, comment. Still beginning this journey. Even more crazy stuff to come. Love you guys. Signing out.
First, on arrival day, we tell everybody, if you guys catch the first billfish, please let us know in the boutique so you can take your bragging rights. Typically, we don't get everybody. So whoever I miss, please raise your hand so you can brag about your story, about your catch, and how big was it. But right now, Let me see what I have here. I have Duke.
Woo!
Oh, Duke
Yeah,
out here.
Dookie!
Duke arrived this Saturday with Buddy, who was here last season, and Duke got his first Pacific sailfish, a 100-pounder. Felicidades! Duke also got his first blue marlin, 400-pounder. Congratulations!
Attaboy, Dookie!
Robert, where's Robert?
Hell yeah, bro. I'm stoked for you.
Look at those. Those are nice.
Hey, bro.
Moose.
Oos.
Check this out.
Selfie, 90-pounder, congratulations! And he goes back to Larry, the first blue marlin, 250 pounds.
Hey guys, Duke here again with FLoridaMan Fishin. I just want to say as this journey in Panama comes to an end, what an amazing experience. It's actually pretty breathtaking when you walk outside and see the 5,000-foot mountains creating its own weather with the clouds coming off. Man, what an adventure. As a kid from Brevard County, Titusville, Florida, I never thought I would have seen myself in Panama catching blue marlin. It's amazing. It's unbelievable. You know, it's almost breathtaking when you step foot on this island. But I used to dream about coming to this place when I was a kid. Like every avid sport fisherman loves to come to Tropic Star Lodge, and I never thought I'd be here myself. It's crazy how the world works. As a kid that was angry, getting into mixed martial arts, and that led me to my coach, who is an avid sport fisherman, who I trained with for the last 10, 12 years, who gave me my black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, as I mentioned before. And this was kind of like a celebration for me getting that through him. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoy all this crazy high-octane footage. I mean, this to me was an unbelievable trip. So many firsts knocked off. The food, the service, just Tropic Star Lodge is beautiful. It's amazing. You got to be here to experience it, guys. So definitely, if you're an avid sport fisherman, check their website out. Come down here. From the journey to get here, to the fish you catch, to the hospitality of the service that you receive here, it's unbelievable. But with that being said, like, subscribe, share, comment. I'm going to be bringing you nothing but heat all 2026. Ciao.